Good morning, children. Hope you are all fine. In this video, I will explain one short answer question, that is difference between final, finally, and finalize. So once note down difference between final, finally, and finalize. This is also one important short answer question for you. First, final C. It is a modifier. Final is a modifier. It is applicable for class, method, and variable. It is applicable for classes, methods, and variables. If we are using final for a class, then that particular class cannot be inherited. If it is applicable for a class, final, if you are using final class, that class cannot be inherited. That means it is not possible to create a child class. If it is applicable for a method, that method should not be override. If it is applicable for a variable, final variable, if we are using, then that particular variable should be constant. So note down first point. It is a modifier. Final is a modifier. It is applicable for classes, methods, and variables. If a final class is there, means then that particular class cannot be inherited. If it is applicable for a method, that method should not be override. If it is a variable, final variable, that variable is a constant. See, example, see, one example. Open your BlueJ. Take the new class, final example. Main method. See, for example, int x is equal to 5, int y is equal to x plus plus. System.out.println y. Here, no syntax errors. No syntax errors. You will get output. For example, if you are using a final variable, final. Now see the output. Whenever you compile, immediately you will get an error. See, it is not possible to modify. If you are using a final variable, it is not possible to modify or not possible to reassign that particular variable. See, cannot assign a value to a final variable x. Sometimes they will ask what is the output of the above code, or what is the error it will happen when you compile. See, why it is error coming? Because we are using a final variable. Final for variable, if we are using, means it is not possible to modify. That means it is a constant. If you remove final, then no errors. If final variable, if you are using final keyword, if you are using for this particular variable x, then immediately we are getting an error message. That means cannot assign a value to a final variable. The next one, finally blocks. If it is applicable for class, means not possible to create a child class. Method means not possible to override. Now finally block. It is a block. It is a block. It is one of the exception handling constructs. You know that what are the exception handling constructs are there? So one is a try, catch, and throw, throws, and finally. So finally is one of the exception handling construct. It is always associated with a try catch block. It is always associated with try catch. It is always associated with try catch. See next, it is used to perform cleanup process. It is used to perform cleanup process. Whether exception is handled or not, finally block will be executed. Whether exception is handled or not, finally block will be executed. Now open on examples. See the example. For example, int a is equal to 5, try block, catch block, finally system.out.println, finally execute. So it is always associated with a try catch block. Observe. So after try catch, finally block. So this is an example for finally block. Now see the output. Finally executed. Now next one is what? Finalize method. Finalize method. See next one. Finalize method. See. It is a method. It is a method. It is used to perform cleanup process. It is used to perform cleanup process. It is invoked by garbage collector. Now examples. Example. Same here only. With the example. Public void finalize method. Public void finalize method. The system.out.println finalize executed. Main method. String args. Now create one object. F is equal to new final. Create one object. F is equal to null. Now garbage collector. See, when it is invoked finalize method, it is invoked by garbage collector. So this is an example for finalize method. This is an example for finalize method. See, finalize method is invoked by garbage collector. Is invoked by garbage collector. It is used to perform cleanup process. It is used to perform cleanup process. Now execute. Finalize executed. Finalize executed. See. So these are the difference between final, finally, and finalize. Final is a modifier. Finally is a block. Exception handling construct it is. Finalize is a method. For the next class, I'll continue with the remaining. Thank you.